10 life-saving beauty hacks you must try. We all want to feel and look our best, so we go to the nearest beauty shops and buy these products we believe could bring out the best in us. But aren't you tired of torturing your skin with all these chemical synthetic products? Have you thought of going natural instead? Nothing beats natural, that's the truth. But it is indeed difficult to look for a natural skin regimen that works and also doesn't have to be that expensive. Today, we will be giving you the most natural beauty hacks you can do and also hassle-free. Greetings, Muze Fam! Welcome back to our channel. How are you all doing these days? We hope you're all at your best today. Healthy and radiant skin is every woman's desire. With all the pollution and stress, it is no question why we're all stuck with a dry and dirty skin. Our rejuvenated skin gives us that extra dose of confidence, so today we made this video just for you. 10 of the most amazing natural rejuvenations that you can easily follow for clear and youthful skin. Let's get started, Muze Fam! Hack number 10. Juicy Watermelon plus Cucumber Pack. This juicy fruit has much more benefits than providing the body the hydration it needs. Watermelon can also aid you in weight loss. The presence of lycopene in admirable quantities helps this fruit fight off the skins of aging, including wrinkles and fine lines. Prepare a face pack by mixing grated cucumber, grated watermelon, and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply it to your face and wash off with lukewarm water for an oil-free, ravishing skin. If you believe this hack can do so much for you, wait till we get to number 1. Hack number 9. Mash some banana. Say farewell to those blemishes with bananas. This yellow-skinned fruit is a powerhouse of vitamin C and vitamin B6, both which aid in maintaining the elasticity and suppleness of the skin. Mash a medium-sized banana. Add about 2 teaspoons honey and a few drops of olive oil to the mashed fruit to prepare a face pack. Wash off after 20 minutes to show off a supple and visibly smooth and radiant skin. Hack number 8. Antioxidant dose with tomatoes. Indeed, there is more than what tomatoes can do than what we think. It is just really a matter of what to do with it. Give your skin a commendable dose of antioxidants by using tomatoes, internally and externally. Mix 3 tablespoons of tomato juice with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add 2 tablespoons of milk cream. Make a smooth paste. Apply in circular motion to the skin. Keep for 15 minutes and wash. Tomatoes contain lycopene that rejuvenates and tightens the skin. They also have astringent properties that leave your skin fresh. Hack number 7. Exfoliate with oatmeal. Aside from providing our bodies with a daily need of fiber and protein, oatmeal is also rich with anti-inflammatory and antihistaminic properties. Along with lightening your skin and fighting acne, oatmeal is also beneficial to keep your skin hydrated. Prepare a paste by blending 1 tablespoon oatmeal with a little water. Dash in 1 teaspoon honey, apply on your face and rinse off in 20 minutes. The saponins present in oatmeal cleanse your skin, giving it a fresh lease of life. Yet another best way to rejuvenate skin. Hack number 6. Moisturize with milk powder. It is true that dairy products can cause acne, but in this hack, we will be showing you a different approach using milk to moisturize the skin. Prepare a smooth paste by mixing 1 teaspoon milk powder, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and 1/2 teaspoon almond oil. Allow the mixture to remain for 15 minutes on your face before washing off with tap water. While the whitener cleanses your skin, lemon lightens it, and almond oil and honey hydrate the skin. In short, this is a must-try home remedy for instant skin rejuvenation. Hack number 5. Apricot for a shinier skin. Apricots are rich in vitamin A, C, and B, as well as lycopene that make it an ideal skin rejuvenating agent. Soak 4 to 5 apricots in water and allow them to swell up. Make a pulp out of it and prepare a smooth mixture by blending the apricot pulp with 2 teaspoons honey, 1/2 teaspoon almond oil, and 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice. Apply in generous amounts on the face and allow to dry, say for about 20 minutes. Rinse off with cold water to reveal a shining skin. Hack number 4. Hydrating using yogurt. Aside from being an easy and healthy snack, homemade yogurt can also do wonders for your skin. The lactic acid present in it is a natural cleanser, exfoliating agent, as well as moisturizer. Prepare a smooth face pack by mixing in 2 teaspoon yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1/2 teaspoon gram flour. Cleanse your face, apply this pack, and wash after 15 minutes with tap water. This face pack naturally cleanses the skin and tightens it so that it looks young and fresh. Hack number 3. Papaya for nourishment on skin. Who doesn't like papaya? Just when we thought papaya couldn't be more healthier, in this hack, we will show you that this fruit can do so much more than providing our bodies with antioxidants and vitamin C. Mash 2 teaspoons of papaya pulp with 2 teaspoons of honey and apply it to your skin in circular motions. Rest for 15 minutes and wash your face with water. Papaya is rich in alpha hydroxy acids that acts as natural scrub for skincare and nourishes skin. Hack number 2. Orange peels for a tight skin. Get yourself some fresh orange from the market, but don't throw the peel just yet, because in this hack, it is more about the peel that makes the difference. Grate orange peel and dry it in the sun. Prepare a mixture by adding 1 teaspoon dried citrus peel with 2 teaspoon gram flour and 1 teaspoon milk. Apply the pack on your face and rinse off after 15 minutes. The orange peels are rich in citric acid and vitamin C that cleanse, exfoliate, and tightens the skin. Hack number 1. Eggs for a protein touch. Eggs, of course, aside from being a good source of protein, eggs can be also good to replenish the skin. Eggs provide a facelift by tightening the pores and nourishes the skin. In this case, we will use eggs to add a protein touch to your skin. Prepare a fine paste by blending 1 egg white with 2 teaspoon Multani Midi. This is used to get rid of skin issues and perfect for achieving radiant. Apply using a brush in upwards movement on your face and allow to dry thoroughly. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and follow up with a moisturizer. Bonus tip: have you been using hot shower all this time? The sad truth will be revealed to you today. Steaming hot showers are not optimal for a few reasons. Hot water can leave your skin dry and brittle, which is not great for skin allergies and acne. Use cold water instead for improved, focused, and healthier skin. Cold water can also improve your mood as well. And that's a wrap, Muze Fam. I'm sure you have learned so much today from these supernatural hacks that we showed you in this video. With these hacks, you don't have to worry about spending so much money because for sure, they can just be found in your local market. Accessible and helpful, don't you think? We can't wait to hear your reviews, so comment down below as soon as you have tried these hacks. If you find these hacks helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe for a more organic and legit hacks from our channel. So that's all for today, Muze Fam. See you!